Namaste.
Namaste, Dr.
Yogi
Satyanarayana.
Virendra Yogi.
Yes, sir, you are welcome.
I am Dr. Satyanarayana,
Yes, sir.
BB Nagar,
Yeah,
Yadadri district of Telangana and India.
wonderful, sir.
I have a question.
Very good.
What is the opinion of Ratan Tata
Yes, sir.
about old clothes,
Yeah.
old parents
Mhm.
and poor friends
And success.
and success?
Dr. Satyanarayana, I feel very proud that in India there are so many great men. Ratan Tata is coming from such a great dynasty which has really helped India right from the days of freedom struggle. His great-grandfather, he started Telco, Tisco, all these to make India streamlined and stabilized. Of course, your question I'm not answering straightforward, but I'm really trying to emphasize that why Ratan Tata is so important that if we speak anything, we should give value to it. That's what I'm telling you. He is one of the wisest. He has studied in the best universities of the world. He has been honored and respected by every great man of this world. He is one of the very kind and generous person. Even in coronavirus, you see, he has donated something like 1500 crores. Kind, generous, compassionate. His dream was to give cars to every citizen of India. He's always thinking about helping motherland to become a powerful nation. The whole summary about talking about Tata Nata, who is he? Why we should value what he says? Why you will not value what I said you? Why you value what Buddha said? Why you value what Gautama Siddhartha Buddha said? Or Lord Krishna said in the Gita? Why? Because they are the force to reckon with. They are the most powerful people. They are the very intelligent people. They know the truth. Now straightforward coming to your question. Yesterday, my great Guru, whom I worship him like my godfather, who is giving me every morsel of food I am eating, and he has given honor and respect in this country. He is Padma Bhushan Manav Ratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. He sent me a clip, the opinion of Dr. Ratan Tata on old clothes, old parents, poor friends and success. And then I have tried to explain it. See, old clothes. What is old cloth? It is old cloth or new cloth. By wearing a cloth, you never get honor, dignity and pride. Your real cloth is your beauty of the mind. What I have discussed just now. What is the beauty of the mind? Are you having a positive mental attitude? Are you following the path of truth, justice, peace, love, non-violence, cooperation, kindness? Are you a man of dignity, honor and pride? Are you a man of honesty, integrity, humility? Are you trying to give back to society what you have attained in your life? Are you really thinking good about others? Are you starving but you are thinking that others should be well fed? Are you crying and weeping when you see the dogs, the birds, the beasts, animal, plants are thirsty and hungry? That is the real ornament of the person, man, not the ordinary clothing of the person. You understand? What Gurudev sent me, I am trying to explain you. Your real cloth is your decorations, adornations of your mental beauty. Dear friends, that's the beauty. What is also asserted by one of the greatest poem by Kabir Das, what we discussed. जात न पूछो साधु की पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान, धन न देखो साधु की पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान, मान करो तलवार की परी रहन दो मान. The meaning is, don't ask a poor man about his wealth, who is enlightened one like Buddha. Ask him the way of your salvation, the way of your real peace, happiness, joy and serenity of your state. Clear to you, doctor?
Clear.
As if once the sword is hidden in the seed, respect the sword what is hidden in the seed. So seed is a cloth. Whether it is a dirty seed or it is a very fresh seed, but the power is with the sword, not with the seed, not with the cloth. Explained? Any more explanation?
No.
Old parents.
Old parents.
You are born because of your parents. You have been nourished, educated, trained, and made a well-developed personality because of your parents. Who can really be a substitute for your parents, your mother and father? That's why in Gita and other religious Vedas it is said, Pitri Deva Bhava, Matri Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava. Clear to you?
Yes.
Whether old or young, doesn't matter. They have given birth and they have given everything what you need to be really human being. Correct, sir? Then you see poor friends. Friendship is not judged by the status or power or position. Friendship means birds of the same feather flock together. Birds of the same feather,
Flock together.
like-minded people
Like minded.
come together. Like I told you, lion will be in the prides only. Jackals will be in the pride only. Wolves will be the pack of wolves. Means like-minded people come together. So whether the person is having a lot of money or the person has nothing, but if the person is having similar views and ideas on particular thoughts, they will be attracted together. Clear to you?
Yes.
That's why Ella Wheeler Wilcox, one of the great American poet and thinker and philosopher, composed a poem, Which Are You? There she has really explained the beauty of the mind of the person. What she said? If you want to weigh the wealth of a person, try to understand the state of his conscience and health and his attitude of thinking. Clear to you?
Yes.
So whether your friend has got billions of dollars or not, but if he is Buddha, if he is Vivekananda, and if he is Honorable Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and if he is Ratan Tata, even if they have no wealth, still they are worshipful. Right or wrong? Tulsidas, Surdas, all these great saints and sages, they never have wealth, but they are the richest people because they have wisdom. You can be happy, you can be joyful, not because of your wealth, but because of your knowing the truth, the real way of living life. Clear to you?
That's clear.
So friendship is not on greed, that we will get something from somebody. Friendship is to enjoy every moment in the company of the wise. That's why I want to make the video little longer, but still you see. तुलसी संसार में 5 रतन है साथ. Tell Dr. Satyanarayana, know that? तुलसी संसार में
तुलसी संसार में
5 रतन है सार.
5 रतन है सार.
साधु संगति,
साधु संगति,
हरि भजन,
हरि भजन,
दया दीप उपकार.
दया दीप उपकार.
This is the real rich. Sadhu Sangati, the company of the wisest man. The meditation and contemplation on the absolute power. Sadhu Sangati, Hari Bhajan, Daya, kindness, compassion. Deep, like a candle, burn yourself, but give light to others. Starve yourself, but help others. Generosity, kindness, compassion, giving back to the society. That is the criteria to judge a true friend. Not by his wealth, but by his other essentials. And then success. What is success? Ratan Tata has explained in few words, but I am giving you detailed explanation. Success is not the progressive realization of the worthy ideals of your life. Success is who has breathed easy. If I tell you the poem, it will be very large. Let me tell you, let it become a video longer. There was a Ralph Waldo Emerson who composed a poem on success, and he said, to laugh often and much. Tell me.
To laugh often and much.
He is very happiest man.
He is very happiest man.
Without anything.
Without anything.
He is contented.
He is contented.
He is happiest.
He is happier.
And he has lived his entire life of hundreds years breathing easy. No worry, no anxiety, no problem. He is rich who wants the day. He is rich. He is rich who wants the day. And nobody wants the day who allowed it to be invaded by fret and anxieties. So I have explained you all the 4 elements what Honorable Ratan Tata has explained. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank you very much, Dr.
Thank you.
Sudha.
Thank you, Doctor.